Hi there, I'm Philip from inFlow's customer support team. Today I wanted to go over quickly how you can install and set up the new wireless label printer from inFlow. Now that you've got it, you've unboxed it, you've got your paper installed and everything like that, you need to be able to hook it up to your computer to be able to use it. So I'm going to show you how to install it on a Windows computer. First of all, you will need to use the USB cable to plug it in. It is wireless, but you do need to plug it in to do the setup. On the side here, you're going to have this little flap that you can open up and plug in the USB cable in here. The other side will obviously plug into your computer, and you'll probably get a little light on the screen there. So what you'll need to do then is go to our Learning Center article here for the portable printer. And if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to see under printer setup, installing the printer driver Windows. Here we've got a link that you can actually download the file that you're going to need to be able to install this. I've got that file here already, so I am going to run it. There we go. So it's going to open up and we're going to install the portable printer. So we accept this, hit next. It's saying please connect it. I've already got it connected, so we can hit next. Oh, make sure it's turned on. Sorry, mine is not turned on. If you have the same problem, power button here on the bottom. Give that a press and that will turn on. There we go. Mine's turned on. Let's try that again. Here we go. Hit next. And now it's going to give you two choices. You can choose whether you want to install it wired, so that's if you're going to be plugging in and keeping that USB plugged into it, or wirelessly. If you're doing it wirelessly, then you're going to have to put in all your Wi-Fi information. For my setup, I'm going to use wired. Here you can also rename it if you want it to be, like, say you have two different ones. Maybe this one's going to be for at home, and you want another one for at the office or something like that. That way you can install them both on the same laptop or computer. So I've got all that set. I'm going to hit next. And so here we go. We've got the printer. The default paper size is already on there. If you want, you can hit, I'll show this right here, print test page. And easy as that, it printed out. And I can rip it off, and there we go. It says, this is a test printout from your inFlow printer. Hooray! So we're already halfway there. I can now hit close, and essentially I've got the printer now, all the drivers, the information, everything installed on the computer. There is one more step to use it with inFlow though, and that's the inFlow print helper. So if you haven't been using labels or anything like that before, you will need to install this as well. And this you can actually get from your account. So if you go to your settings page, from your regular app.inflowinventory.com, go under inventory, and then you'll see this label section here on the side, printing and setup. And for this, you're going to want to download your inFlow print helper for either Windows or Mac. I'm on a Windows computer, so I've got it downloaded already. And let's install this. So again, we just run that. It's going to say to install. It's going to choose if you want to change where it's being installed. And pretty simply, we just hit install. It's doing its stuff. And there we go. Very, very simple. Basically didn't have to do anything. It's got a little checkbox if you want to launch it right away, which you probably do. So keep that checked. Hit finish. And now in the bottom of your screen, this may not actually show on here. It should be running. There we go. On the bottom of the screen, you're going to have this new icon. I'm going to try and put it here. That looks like the inFlow icon. Right now, it's got a little exclamation mark. If I right click on it, it's because it's not connected and it's not logged in. So what I want to do is choose login. It's going to open up a web page to log in. I'm going to want to log in with my inFlow account. And now it's going to say, there we go, logged in successfully. It's now connected, which means now if I go back to my the setup again, it will actually show me that that connection is now set up. So there we go. It's saying login's complete. Your inFlow print helper is connected. So basically at this point now, I'm actually ready to go under the manage labels where I can then actually print out any of my pictures or my labels, sorry, stuff like that. I can just do one really quickly on here. Just to test. There we go. Got my product. It's got everything on there. I'm going to want to hit it's not showing on here. Sorry, let me just, I think if I, there we go. Sorry, if I zoomed out, there we go, we can see it. So I'm going to hit print. It's going to give me my options, and here we go. I should now see my inFlow portable printer at home, which I can select. It's saying the label size does not match because I think I made this one for a different size. There we go. I've sent it to my printer. Oh, and there we go. And I can show that. Even though I made it for a different size, it's still actually printed out really nicely. I've got my image, my barcode, everything on there that I should be able to scan. And just like that, I've now been able to use my inFlow portable printer. And again, you could set it up Wi-Fi if you needed. So hopefully this video helps. Make sure to like and share and subscribe with any of your other team members. That way they can have it set up and used and get going with labeling and barcoding with inFlow inventory anytime they need. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.